Hey guys, Samadip here and you're watching Cooking with Samadip.
Me and plastic and make me shine. We can make a dollhouse, follow your design.
So guys, there's been a week, but I'm telling you that I'm gonna come up with new videos every week. Okay, I'm not keeping any fixed time or date or day or something, but I'm gonna come up with new videos every week, so make sure you watch and subscribe. Also, so today we are gonna make Rubik's cube salad. So this is gonna be super amazing. This is a veg recipe. I'm so super excited about it. So let's start. But before this video starts, make sure you follow me on both the social medias. Link is in the description of Instagram and Snapchat. Also subscribe my channel, like all my videos, and turn on the notification bell to get the quick notifications of my new video. Also comment below about the recipes you want me to make next. So before further ado, let's begin. So at first I need this cucumber, radish and carrot, and we need to peel these things off. Okay, and then we need to cut it in squares. So I'll show you how. Take your chopper board and okay, and your pillar. Okay, and now we'll peel these things off like this. Okay, as you can see. Okay, I've peeled these things really well till here. Okay, so this is the all I need, and now we'll cut it like okay. Okay, we're gonna cut it now. So guys, make sure you just cut it from the cucumber from here and just rub them. I'll show you how. Okay, so first you have to take the cucumber and then cut it from here. Okay, like this. So you'll see this part, and now you have to rub it like this till the time this place doesn't looks a bit clear, because guys, if you don't rub this will give a really sour taste, which we don't want. Okay, like this. Now we have to cut this like first from here. This is really fresh, and then like this. Okay, and then like this. Okay, we have to make a table surface like this, and then like this. This is how you make it. It's like yeah. Okay, this is how you got to do, and then you have to make 3 pieces. 1, 2 and 3. These 3 pieces are done. Keep them aside, and then we cannot use these ones. Like that's 3 pieces done. Okay, cut pieces like this of radish, cucumber and carrot, like something like this. Okay, I'll cut some more pieces and I'll show you next. Okay, so I've cut all these cubes over here, you can see. And now for the special thing, we need cheese. You can see I've took Amul cheese. I will just open this. Okay, like this. Oh my gosh, it's looking so nice. Okay, so I've cut this cheese over here. You can see it's looking so nice. Okay, so we'll just get this cheese over here, cheese cube, and we'll cut it like this. Okay, and then cut it like this one, and cut it like this two. So I just add three of them in the salad, and I'll not add this because I need it later. I'll tell you how. And so I'll arrange them in a plate now. I have this plate over here, and I'll take one block and I'll arrange it like this. There's the cheese. Okay, like this, one by one I'll arrange them. So as you can see, I've arranged them all like this, and now I have pinch of salt, and I'll just sprinkle this salt on this. Maybe you can see. Okay, salt a bit more to make it tasty, just given the holes. Okay, and then a bit of black pepper, like this. Okay, I've given a pinch of black pepper and a little bit more in the middle. Okay, and then now I'll add this coriander leaf over here. Okay, I'll just set it over here like this. Okay, it's sticky. Yeah, it's looking amazing, as you can see. And now we'll give the final touch. Okay, and the final touch is the cheese. This is the reason I told you to save the cheese over here. Okay, and now we'll grind it on it. Guys, I've not exactly garnished the cheese, but I've like cutted them in really small pieces like this. Okay, in square pieces, so it looks good. And now finally we'll garnish them on it. This will look really nice. Okay, I'm just garnishing it. Okay, so guys, as you can see, it's looking really good after the cheese is garnished. Okay, so as you can see, I've garnished it totally and it's looking like superb, and you can enjoy it now. And we are also done with our Rubik's cube salad. So this was the recipe, and enjoy it with your guest and your friends. So guys, this was my today's video. Hope you like it, and if you really like, make sure you like. Also subscribe my channel and turn on the notification bell to get the quick notifications of a new video, and also comment below about the recipes you want me to make next. And so yeah, this was my today's video, and also don't forget to follow me on both the social medias. Link is in the description, as I told you in the first of the video. And hope you enjoyed. Actually, I enjoyed a lot because the Rubik's cube, it was actually looking very amazing after the square kind of cheese garnish. It was looking really amazing. Actually, I ate it and that was actually tasting so amazing, guys. So this was it, and I will meet you in my next video, and bye until we meet next time.